Hello friends, this is our question where x and y are positive integer. So let's find out the value of x and y. So our question is square root of 2 raised to square root of x minus square root of 2 raised to square root of y is equal to 28. We can rewrite this question as 2 raised to 1 over 2 whole raised to square root of x minus 2 raised to 1 over 2 whole raised to square root of y is equal to 28. Now let's recall a rule where a raised to b whole raised to c, then it can be a raised to b times c. So according this rule we can multiply this 2 and this 2. So it will be 2 raised to square root of x over 2 minus 2 raised to square root of y over 2 is equal to 28. Now let's assign new name for exponents. We will call square root of x over 2 is equal to m and square root of y over 2 is equal to n. So we have 2 raised to m minus 2 raised to n is equal to 28. Now 28 is greater than 0. That means the difference of these two is greater than 0. So 2 raised to m is greater than 2 raised to n and m is greater than n. So let's add a constant to m to equate with n. Let's take m is equal to n plus k. And let's put it in equation. So it will be 2 raised to n plus k minus 2 raised to n is equal to 28. Now let's remind the rule where a raised to b plus c, then it can be a raised to b times a raised to c. So according this rule, this part can be written as 2 raised to n times 2 raised to k minus 2 raised to n is equal to 28. Now we can factor out 2 raised to n from here. So it will be 2 raised to n times 2 raised to k minus 1 is equal to 28. Now we will split 28 into factors. So 28 divided by 2 is 14. 14 divided by 2 is 7. And 7 is prime number. So we can write it like 2 times 2 times 7 is equal to 2 square times 7. And let's put this in place of 28. So we have 2 raised to n times 2 raised to k minus 1 is equal to 2 square times 7. Here this is an even number and this is an odd number. And on right hand side 2 square is even number and 7 is odd. So we can compare accordingly. 2 raised to n is equal to 2 square and 2 raised to k minus 1 is equal to 7. Here we have same base, so we can equate n is equal to 2. And here if we add 1 both the sides, these 2 get cancelled out. So we have 2 raised to k is equal to 8. And 8 is 2 cube. So we can write 2 raised to k is equal to 2 cube. Same base, so we can equate their exponent. So we have k is equal to 3. Now we have the value of n and k. And as we know, we have taken m is equal to n plus k. So it will be 2 plus 3. So we have m is equal to 5. Now let's recall that m was taken for square root of x over 2 and n was taken for square root of y over 2. So we have square root of x over 2 is equal to 5 and square root of y over 2 is equal to 2. Multiply with 2 both the sides. So these 2 get cancelled out. So we have square root of x is equal to 10. If we square both the sides, this square and square root get cancelled out. So we have x is equal to 100. Here we will multiply with 2 both the sides. So these 2 get cancelled out. So we have square root of y is equal to 4. Squaring both sides. So these 2 get cancelled out. So we have y is equal to 16. Now we have the value of x and y. Let's verify our result, and the given equation is let's put the value of x and y. Square root of 2 raised to square root of 100 minus square root of 2 raised to square root of 16 is equal to 28. Square root of 100 is 10 minus square root of 2. Square root of 16 is 4. Now square root 2 can be written as whole raised to 10 minus 2 raised to 1 over 2 whole raised to 4. We can multiply this 2 and this 2. So it will be, here we have 2 and here we have 5. So we have 2 raised to 5 minus 2 square is equal to 28. 2 raised to 5 is 32 minus 4 is equal to 28. So x is equal to 100 and y is equal to 16 are the correct answer. Thanks for watching and thanks for subscribing. We will meet very soon in the next video. Bye bye.